Honeymoon Agenda, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, honeymoon agenda. This term is not just about romantic getaways, but it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it effectively in conversations. Honeymoon agenda refers to a period of harmony and goodwill, typically at the start of a new venture or relationship. It implies a time when everything seems positive and any difficulties or disagreements are temporarily set aside. The term is often used in politics, business, and interpersonal relationships. The term combines honeymoon, the period after a wedding filled with joy and love, with agenda, meaning a plan or a list of items to be discussed. The metaphorical use of honeymoon in various contexts dates back centuries, symbolizing a brief period of harmony before the emergence of more challenging times. Here are some examples. 1. In politics, the new mayor enjoyed a honeymoon agenda during her first month in office, with widespread support from the council. 2. In business, the company's honeymoon agenda after the merger allowed for smooth initial operations. 3. In personal relationships, they are in the honeymoon agenda of their friendship, where everything seems perfect. A common misunderstanding is that honeymoon agenda refers to literal honeymoon plans. While it borrows from the concept of a honeymoon, it's used to describe a favorable and harmonious phase in various situations, not just marriages. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of honeymoon agenda. Remember, it's a versatile phrase applicable in many contexts, symbolizing a period of initial harmony and goodwill. Happy learning, and see you in our next linguistic adventure.